Company Introduction. A global perspective strategy, a global competition dream, a passionate enterprise. Keep pursuing innovation, aims to pioneer. HDC Group, the export of Chinese oil and gas machinery industry. Established in 1994, HDC Group is located in Honghu City, which is known as the foundation of Chinese oil and gas machinery. It is an integrated company which is specialized in research, design, manufacture, installation, engineering, procurement, construction, etc. in oil and gas field. Aiming to become the pioneer of global oil and gas machinery field and the main force of Chinese oil and gas machinery industry as well. Technical supports. HDC Group joined hands with China University of Petroleum and established HDC Oil and Gas Machinery Research Center, owning a research and development team consisting of many domestic well-known specialists and professors. It also owns many national appraisal technological achievements and proprietary intellectual property rights. HDC Group is mainly engaged in manufacturing atmospheric distillation towers, vacuum towers, stripping towers, towers fillings, heat exchangers, furnaces, boilers, electric desalination system, reactors and pressure vessels. During the development of last 30 years, HDC Group successfully managed more than 100 projects in oil and gas and petrochemical fields. Since the year of 2015, HDC has paid more attention to exploring international market and providing first-class service for international customers. HDC earned the respect by its advanced technology and reasonable price, as well as the professional services. Project experience: 100 to 5 million tons per day ADU and VDU refining Turkey project, 300 to 3 million tons per day hydrogeneration refining Turkey project, 400 to 3 million tons per day coking unit Turkey project, 300 to 3 million tons per day catalytic cracking unit Turkey project, 300 to 3 million tons per day C4 comprehensive production line Turkey project, 100 to 3 million tons per day wax oil non-hydrogenation refining Turkey project, and other petrochemical projects EPC or turnkey solutions. Refining process: pump the crude oil into the plant to heat exchanger. After the heat becomes 225 degrees centigrade, pump to the pre-distillation column. Distribute the vaporized hydrogen fraction to the top tower as the reformation raw material. The first bottom oil enter into heating furnace after heat exchanging, and then enter into the atmospheric to separate the gasoline, solvent oil, kerosene, diesel and other distillates, etc. Part of the bottom oil produced by the heating furnace are as a vacuum feedstock fractionation of diesel, wax oil, tower bottom caustic soda as a secondary processing raw material. Pump the raw materials into the coking tank. After heat exchanger preheating, enter into the heating furnace convection fractionation tower 0 and 3 layers in the temperature of 350 degrees centigrade and contacting to heat with cold tower high temperature oil and gas, fractionation tower top cutting gas, compressed by the compressor for the oil, liquefied petroleum gas, diesel oil, bottom oil and circulating oil. Pump to heating furnace. The radiation rapidly rose to 490 degrees centigrade to 500 degrees centigrade. Through the four-way valve into the cold tower condensation generated coke to a certain height. The switch tower four-way valve to another preheated coke. The vacuum residue, atmospheric residue, and straight-run wax oil constitute the raw material of a catalytic cracking unit and, after being preheated and mixed, enter the riser reactor and under the shock contact of the regenerated high-temperature catalyst. The catalytic cracking reaction takes place to generate the reaction oil into the fractional distillation tower, and we can get distillation slurry, diesel, crude gasoline, rich gas. Crude gasoline, compressed rich steam, can be fractionated into stable gasoline, liquefied gas and dry gas under the action of the absorption tower, analytical tower, stabilizer tower. First-class facilities bring up first-class machinery. Covering an area of 282,000 square meters, HDC Group owns more than 50 sets of intelligent robots welding, large CNC lasers cutting machines, numerical controlling bending machines, various CNC lathes, radiation flow detection room, hole punchers, tower filling machines, and other precision machining infrastructure equipment, with national first and second grade special equipment design and manufacturer qualification. Certification. Company certifications are fully qualified. HDC Group has passed the ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification, the People's Republic of China Special Equipment Design Permit, the People's Republic of China Special Equipment Manufacturing License, Class A Engineering Design Qualification, Petrochemical Industry Class A Engineering Consulting Unit Qualification Certificate. For overseas markets, HDC Group can meet the quality management requirements of target market in strict accordance with the relevant quality standards on standardized designing, manufacturing, and testing. Complete quality assurance system and certification qualifications help HDC Group to lay a firm foundation to win the market and customers. Based on the standardized management, HDC Group sticks to the road of strengthening management with efficiency and vigorously promoted the implementation of information management and digitalization through the implementation and application of new information platforms such as ERP and OA. The management cost drops significantly and the management efficiency is greatly improved. The efficiency of comprehensive analysis, processing, and application has been remarkably improved, and the operation management level of the enterprise ranks among the highest in the industry, and the management efficiency has been steadily improved. Looking ahead, we are full of pride. Taking advantage of the domestic infrastructure construction and the steady progress of the nation's Belt and Road Strategy, as well as the unprecedented development in the fine chemical industry, HDC Group will keep adhering to the development goal of being the leading brand in the global petroleum industry, and using wisdom and dedication to compose a new galloping chapter.